How to make a wiggle effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by importing your media and using the transform properties to position and scale it however you want to. Next, right click this media, then choose new compound clip and then choose create. Then with this compound clip created, come into the fusion panel. Make sure the compound node is selected, then press shift space on your keyboard. Search for camera shake, select this camera shake effect and then choose add. With this node then selected, you can come into the inspector. It looks like this. The main setting that we want to configure is the PTR speed. There's a bunch of other settings you can play around with, but for a simple wiggle, this is the main one that you want to focus on. Currently it's set to 0.5, so let's take a look at what this looks like. It's quite an intense wiggle in my opinion, so I'm just going to decrease this. I'm going to come back into Fusion, come to the PTR speed, and change this to 0.2. Now when we come back to playing it back, it's less intense. You can fully customize this exactly how you want for your video. Even if you want just an ever so slight wiggle on the media you're using, let's go for 0.1 and let's come back into edit. We can see it's ever so slight on our video and isn't too intense. That's the basics for creating a wiggle effect in DaVinci Resolve, and that's all there is to it.